Hi friends, this is Dattatreya from Smiley Satwik YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to say you that if you want to create a app for two accounts, I want to say in this video. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. If you subscribe, you will get every notification of my video, so you will never miss my videos when I upload. Okay, every day I am going to upload either one or two videos, so don't miss those videos. Okay na? Now this is my first video. After at night or tomorrow morning I am going to upload second video. So let's see what is the how to do the process. Okay, if you want to create a Facebook account of two, you should go to settings first. I am doing this this is the mobile of my mine only. So this mobile company is Redmi and its model number is Y1. Okay, Redmi Y1 is my mobile. So in this mobile I am going to show you one setting, nothing but here dual apps setting you are able to see. So tap that. After tapping, here you are able to see so many what are the apps in your that are there in your mobile phone. In here, if you want an app of your Facebook or WhatsApp or of dual apps, you can click on that app. Okay, after clicking on that app, you should here it will ask to turn on. Tap on turn on. Okay, it is creating dual app is nothing but if you have two accounts, nothing but two email address, then you can create the two email address in different, okay, different accounts. Okay now I tap on turn on and it's completed. Come to main page. Here if you scroll, here is my one of the Facebook account. Here you can see in the second page, first page, second row. Okay now, and last page you can see the again Facebook also icon. There you can see one ring like symbol is given. So this is nothing but this is the Facebook dual app. Okay, if you go into this, you are able to create a new account. Okay, you can create your own account with another Gmail address. Okay, if you have two email address and if you have two mobile numbers, you can create two WhatsApp accounts or two mobile next Facebook accounts. If you install Instagram, Twitter, if you have two more accounts, you can install in this way. I hope you understood. See, this in this way you can do any account also. This is my second dual app account and my first account is this one. Okay, see, this is my first account. Okay now, in this way you are able to do any also. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share, and thanks for watching till end. Let's meet a next video. Bye.